Is your Microsoft Access database corrupted or showing errors while opening? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to repair a damaged Access database quickly using the Recoveryfix Access Repair tool. The software helps you to repair and recover tables, queries, forms, reports, macros, and other database objects while preserving the original structure. Let's start repairing your Access database file. Download, install, and launch the Recoveryfix Access Repair tool. Click on Repair on the software's home screen. Select Mode as Standard Mode, and click on Browse. Select your corrupt Access file from your system, and click Open. Click on Star Recovery to repair your Access database files. The software will retrieve all the tables in the original hierarchy. Click on any table and view its records in the preview pane. Click on Save. Select the desired saving location and click on Save. The software will start saving all your Access database files locally. After saving your database, the software will show Saving process has been completed. Click on Below link to open database message. You can click on the saved clickable path below and be automatically redirected to your output file. Finally, click OK to complete the process. That's it. You've successfully repaired your Access database using the Recoveryfix Access Repair tool. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to check out the official website to know more about the software. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.